Hi guys, it's Rowan aka the Human Voice Box, and today I'm bringing you more free sound effects that you guys can use on your film. And this is probably going to be the most intense sound effect. This is going to be gay sex noises. So if you're doing a film where two men are making love, then you can use this free sound effect for that joyous time. So I'll play it now. I say, fellow gay man, are you enjoying this lovely gay sex? Oh, yes, I am indeedy, thank you very much. I say, would you like me to squeeze your buttocks? Oh, yes, that would be pretty top, thank you very much.